Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make a real easy Thai dish. We're going to make Pad Kra Pao with beef. So we're using beef mince, and I've got about 150 grams of beef mince here. So we're going to quickly knock up this Pad Kra Pao. It's so simple, so easy, really quick. And then we're going to top it with a kai dao, which is a fried egg, but we're going to top it with a duck egg. So we should have a nice orange yolk, and we should crisp it all over the top to go on top of our Pad Kra Pao. So simple guys, let's crack on and do it, come on. Okay guys, what we got? We've got a little bit of chili, a little bit of garlic, and we need to put that in there. And all we're going to do is give that a bit of a smashing up. Now, we don't want to smash this too fine, so don't worry about it. Just give it a bit of a clumping around in there. That's done enough already, guys. So, you know, you can put as many chilies in as you want. I've got just a couple of green chilies and a red chili in here. I don't want it too spicy today. Just spicy enough to give it that flavour. So that is our chilies and our garlic smashed. Done. Easy. Right guys, a quick run through the ingredients then. Okay, we've got 150 grams of beef mince in there. Okay, we've got Pad Kra Pao leaves, Holy Basil leaves, not sweet basil leaves, okay? Holy Basil leaves. We've got half a tablespoon of sugar. We have a duck egg. We have our chili garlic paste, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of oil. That's it, so quick. Right, let's crack on and get it done. Right guys, flame on. A little bit of oil in the pan, not too much. In with our garlic chili. Start that off in there. Now, we're not cooking on such a high flame, guys. We just want that aroma in there with our garlic and our chili. And then we're going to go in with our beef. You know, it's a very, very, very easy dish to make this. Now, start it off. As soon as you see a tiny touch of colour in there and you've got that aroma coming out of the pan, in with the beef. Get the beef in there. And start cooking down your beef. Oh, the smell coming out of here, guys, is absolutely incredible. Now, as we know with beef, you know, beef doesn't have to be cooked and cooked and cooked, you know. Just cook this till it's about 80% done. So you want a little bit of colour on there, and if there's a little bit of pinky red in there, it doesn't matter, you know. Right, there we go guys. It's about 80% done. We don't need to cook this on such a high flame. So what we need to do, we need to go in with about half a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give that a little whiz around in there. In with our sugar. Put the sugar in there to balance out the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. And that's it guys, that's how quick this is. So in with our Holy Basil leaves. Quick stir around. Turn off the heat, and that is ready to serve. How easy is that, guys? Right guys, I'm cooking a duck egg today, so we want a bit of oil in there. In Thai cooking, you know, we have a kai dao, and not what normally happens is with the fried egg, you know, you have a crispy bottom, okay? But with the duck egg, what we want to do is get a crispy bottom and crisp over the top at the same time and leave that orange yolk. We're going to put it in the pan, it'll bubble up, and we'll just flick over a bit of oil, and then we'll end up with a perfect duck egg. Put our duck egg in there. So all we're doing is flicking some oil over, and we're going to get this, it's going to blow up, you know, we're going to have a crispy bottom, and it's going to blow up around the egg, and you're still going to have this lovely orange egg yolk. It's going to give us that nice creamy egg. All we need to do now, guys, is serve it all up. Oh, look at that. Oh man. Guys, crispy bottom on the egg. I'm not kidding. A duck egg beats a chicken egg easily for creaminess and flavour. This beef, guys, this Pad Kra Pao with this beef, by far superior to pork Pad Kra Pao. Now, obviously, very common in Thailand, but if you get a chance to make it with beef, if you like beef that is, it's far superior. You know, the flavours of the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, the Kra Pao leaves, Holy Basil leaves, through here is amazing with the garlic and the chilli. That, guys, is absolutely incredible. Way better than Pad Kra Pao with pork. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like, subscribe and share. And we'll catch you next time.